Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. And this week I want to tell you a little story about my entryway. So when we talk about organizing solutions, we have to create solutions that work for the entire family. I feel like I'm a pretty responsible adult. When I come in the house, I take my shoes off and I kind of put them where I think they need to go, where they do have a home. Now, the three other people that I live with apparently have other thoughts when they enter the house. The shoes end up across the room. They've ended up in the bathroom. They end up sometimes in the mud room. Literally, they end up everywhere except for where I wanted them to go. And I wanted them to go in these bins that I had pull-out drawers. I wanted them to open the drawer, put the shoes in there, and close it. However, that was much too difficult for the three other people in my household. So here is what I did. We have these awesome kind of, areas like it's like underneath a bench where you could put a bin. So instead of taking a bin using a bin that filled up the entire space, I bought a bin that fit the width of that, but it was half the space, if not less than half the space. So now literally when you come in the door, everyone has their own space. You just kick your shoes into this bin. Very easy access. And let me tell you, I have not had a problem with everyone in the house putting their shoes into these bins. It makes the house look so much better. All the shoes are put away. And of course, we have to switch those out depending on the season. But for the most part, it's very simple and it's a very easy switch. So I recommend just little critical thinking, deep thinking into, are these solutions I'm creating going to work for everyone? And if you're feeling stuck with that, that's why you reach out to a professional organizer like us. We can help you create those solutions based on what we see and what we hear and what you're kind of wanting to function. So that is my tip this week. Let's do some critical thinking. Let's really think about your entryway and how we can make some improvements there. All right, let me know if you're stuck or if you have any great ideas. Throw them in the comments. I cannot wait to hear from you guys, and I will see you next week.